Today we are going to do a banana split pie. Let's get in this kitchen and let's get to cooking. All right, here are our ingredients for our banana split pie. 1 banana, 10-inch graham cracker crust, powdered sugar, Hershey syrup, maraschino cherries, crushed pineapples, pecan halves, Cool Whip, and an 8 ounce of Philadelphia cream cheese. We're also going to use only 1 cup of the crushed pineapple, and we're really going to squeeze out the juice on the pineapples. We're going to take a little pineapple juice and cut the bananas in to keep the bananas from discoloring. Let me get the room temperature Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to mix that with a cup of pure cane powdered sugar, and we're going to get that nice and smooth. Then I'll come back and show you what we do next. I have 1 8 ounce of Philadelphia cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar. We're going to whip this until it's smooth. Then we're going to fold in 1 banana that I have cut up and added pineapple juice to so they won't turn brown. And this is a 1/2 cup of canned pineapple with the juice squeezed out of it. Now fold in the pineapples and the bananas. Then we will add the 8 ounce of cream, the 8 ounce of Cool Whip. Here is the filling of the banana split pie. Try to let your filling set anywhere from 4 hours on. If you can, possibly let it sit overnight. Once this is set, we're going to come back, add the pecans, the cherries, and the Hershey's syrup. Okay, Raw family, here's the finished product and presentation of the banana split pie. I took the chocolate syrup and I got a little squeeze bottle, and I just did the designs on the pie. I did some pecans, just chopped them up, and I put cherries on the pie because we always like a cherry or cherries on our banana split. But you guys, this recipe is a must. With me putting the pineapples and the bananas in the pie, it tastes just like a banana split. But as I promised before, I'm going to come back and eat this so you guys can see the inside of it. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. All right, Raw family, I am here to show you the banana split pie. Can you guys see that? And I want you to look there. That's where I put the pineapples and the bananas in there. And I also brushed the bananas with pineapple juice so they wouldn't turn brown. But all right, I'm gonna go in. And I hope you guys can see this. Let me see. All right, I don't know if it's showing too well, but let's toast. Here I go. Oh wow. I am so freaking proud of myself. This tastes just like a banana split. With the chocolate, with the pineapples, with the bananas. Oh my God, I hope you guys can see that. But anyway, ooh, got a little choke there. Hold on. Let me get some water. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos And if you like my content, please share and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading new videos. I don't want to give you a definite days that I'll be posting because they could change, because you guys, I'm working on my business, Queen of Scones, but I'm still going to do videos. So until I get more settled, then I will come back and let you know the days that I will be posting new videos. Anyway, stay blessed, stay safe, God bless you, and always remember, whatever we do, put God first. God bless you guys.